Welcome back. On Sunday morning at Tikazan in Maye, one Naresh Choprekar was brutally murdered. Bicholi police arrested alleged accused Ullas Kautankar. He is in police custody. Police say that heated argument between duo resulted into murder of Naresh. On Sunday at around 8:30 in the morning at Tikazan in Maye, a man named Naresh Choprekar, aged 45 years, was allegedly murdered. Deep wounds on the stomach indicate that the deceased has been stabbed. Some locals who witnessed the scene of offence informed that Ullas and Naresh got into a heated argument. Ullas then grabbed a knife from nearby Gada and attacked Naresh. Body of the deceased was shifted to Bicholi Health Centre. After receiving information, police rushed to the site and completed Panchanama. Alleged accused has been arrested and is under police custody. Further investigation is in progress, informed Bicholi PI Harish Madkekar.
आज सकाळी PSC बिचोलच्यान आमकां इन्फॉर्मेशन आयलें की एक मनशाक मया हांगा सुरी तोगल्या म्हणून. त्या प्रमाणे आमी जाग्यार गेले. त्या जाग्यार कळून आयलें की दोगांची भासाभासी जाली, झगडी जाली आनी ताणें शेजाऱ्याक एक गाडो आसा त्या गाड्यावेली सुरी काडली आनी ताच्या पोटान घुपसली. तो मनीस इंजर्ड जालो, ताका हॉस्पिटलान व्हेलो. थंय तो मनीस डॉक्टरांनी डेथ डिक्लेअर केला.
Our reporter in Maye, Uday Parab. Churchill Alemao has unveiled second report on Kankon flood analysis. Endorsing expert committee findings, report by Science and Technology Council analyzes reasons behind floods in detail. Calling floods a tsunami-like situation, Science and Technology Minister has contradicted experts' views.
The Science and Technology Council's report infers that floods were not only the result of heavy rainfall and precipitation but also due to extensive siltation of Talpan and Galjibak rivers in the past years. Report also says that Kankona recorded a total of 269 mm rainfall in just 12 hours. This report has been prepared by members of the Council, Dr. Joseph D'Souza and Dr. F.M. Nadaf, with the consent of Science and Technology Minister Churchill Alemao.
First problem is climatic variations. You all know that globally there is a problem with the climatic change. There was a high tide. So the high tide water also flushed into the catchment, into the river. But because of the flooding of the rivers, due to the block of the bandaras, due to the siltation in the rivers, the carrying capacity of the rivers could not hold.
And on the day of the flood, the total rainfall recorded was roughly about 269 millimeters, which was in 12 hours.
Government-appointed expert committee had also submitted report on Kankon floods on Friday. This report suggested that floods were a result of precipitation due to incessant rain. This report was prepared by a committee headed by Director of NIO, Dr. Satish Shetty. The second report prepared by the Council endorsed this view. However, Council has done in-depth and in detail analysis of the flood situation and the reasons behind flooding. Our reporter from Madgaon, Ramesh Naik Raut, for Prudent Media.
Goa government employees and pensioners are upset with the Goa government. The government employees have objected to the decision by government over selective upgradation of employees, whereas all Goa pensioners say that the government did not consider pensioners who were working since 1996 to 2000 to avail the benefit of 5th pay commission. All Goa Government Employees Association and All Goa Pensioners Association informed us about their grievances and said that government employees were not getting the benefit of 6th pay commission for 36 months.
If government is having enough money, then government should equally consider all the skills and not this only few selected skills.
Okay.
For that, we have decided today to call upon CM immediately and discuss about the matter. It is the demand of GGA earlier, and government has settled it in the last year, now October.
Okay.
Wherein all the upgraded, selective upgradation was rolled down or ignored before fixation pay scale in the 6th Pay Commission recommendations.
President of All Goa Pensioners Association Patrick Cardozo informed that government had not given 40% fitment weightage to the pensioners.
Government by order implemented this with effect from 1/1/2001 only to those who are in service on 1/1/2001 and those who retired between 1/1/96 त्यांना तो लागू करपाचे ते 96 to 31/12/2000 जे कोण पळय रिटायर जाल्यात ताका 40% दिवंक.
Our reporter Devidas Kamli with video journalist Anil Sanadi.
Time for yet another short break. Stay tuned.